What's up guys, it's Emily. So today's video I'm going to be doing for Pride Month. We are in the month of June and we all know Pride Month is in June. So I was thinking of doing a Pride makeup look. I usually do this every year, but last year I didn't because Pride was canceled. And I just want to just bring nice color to my face because I've been doing a lot of neutral colors and I'm like really wanting to do like a colorful look. What better way to do that with the Pride colors? So I'm gonna do a Pride makeup look. I think I'm gonna do red lips with the look that I'm trying to go for. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is all to the community of the LGBTQ. I 100% support you guys. I stand by you all the time, and honestly, there's no better way to represent it with makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this started. Okay, so what better way to do a Pride makeup than using the James Charles palette, right? So I already did my full face off camera because I don't want to take up too much time in this video because I know this is going to take me a little longer, the eye makeup, because I have to do like blue, orange, yellow, purple, red. Yeah, I think that's it for the rainbow. So we're gonna start off with grabbing brushes, good brushes. That's my eyeliner. Okay. So I grabbed a couple brushes, random picked, but okay, let me grab my phone real quick just to make sure I got all the colors correct. I just want to double check just in case. So I grabbed my phone and I just wanted to look it up real quick. It is basically the rainbow colors. So I want to do a whole rainbow across my eye and then do like a smoky type of thing going on. And then I'm going to do a red lip. I already did my full face. So let's get this started. We're going to start off with red. So James Charles palette has every color in the neighborhood for Pride colors. So let's start off with red. This is the closest thing I could get to red. So let's get this started. So I think I'm going to do red on the outer part. Or should I do it like in the inner part? I don't know. I'll do it on the outer part. So I want that really packed in, pigmented. And we gotta make sure we're doing this and spacing everything out, because we got a lot of colors to put on this eye. I'll probably do one eye on camera and then do another one off camera. So let me grab a fluffy brush and just I seen this really cool TikTok where somebody grabbed a tissue and like did like a blotchy type thing. Maybe I should do that. What do you guys think? Do you think it'll work? I don't know. I'm gonna have to grab like a bunch of no, actually I'll just stick to what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with some more red. I want this very like a deep red. So I'm going to try to bring it out a little bit, just like that. Yes, it looks messy right now. So the next color, we're going to go in with orange. Perfect. I'll use the other ends of this brush, and we're going to go in with this bright orange. That orange. We're going to bring it up nicely. Gonna go in with the red, bring that up. just like that. Okay. We're gonna go in with the blend brush and just blend the two. Okay. Next, we're gonna go in with more orange. Okay. Next, yellow. Oh, he does have yellow. Okay. I was actually totally forgot what this palette has. So we're gonna go in with yellow, the brightest of yellows. That's the yellow. Gonna bring it up. Bring it up to my eyebrow. I'm in love with this look. Guys, look at that. How cute. Alright, next, green. Go in with some green. I don't know what type of green. Let's go in with this green. And a little darkness. Mix two different greens. Okay. God, I'm loving this right now. Like, look how nice that is. I don't want some color. I want some colors to overlap with each other. Alright, we got two more colors, so we gotta fit the both. Blue. So there's this really nice blue in here that I'm gonna use. It's really pretty. Okay. I gotta try to go in with a different brush, much more thinner. Go with this one. Alright, and then there's purple, that I know. So we're gonna go in with purple, the darkest of purples. Just plop that in the corner. Alright. Look how nice that is. So now I'm going to go in and start blending each color and just drag it out downwards. Next is orange. Go in with the orange. Then we're going to go in with the yellow. Green is kind of like fading away, so let's get the green back. Because green has a very small section. I'm gonna try to blend it. Okay. Then we got blue. Blues, blues, blues. Okay. And then purple. Which okay. So now I'm going to bring everything downwards and make a smoky eye. I kind of want to blend the top though for each color, just to make sure it's good. Alright, now we're going to bring the orange down. Orange. Guys, I'm loving this. I look like a crayon. Okay, now we're going to go with the yellow. And then green. That's the two. And then blue. Blue. And then purple. Can never go wrong with purple. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to find a smaller brush. We're gonna blend all these colors together. Just like that. Boom. Look how nice. I should bring out the purple a little more, because we don't want it to look like that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish this the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so finished both eyes. I am legit obsessed. Like, how can you not be obsessed with a damn rainbow? So, game plan. I'm going to do eyeliner off and my lashes off camera also. And then I will come back and finish this look and clean up the colors that are on the side of my nose. So yeah. So guys, this is the final. Oh, wait, we forgot lipstick. We forgot the main thing. Okay guys, so final step, we're going in with some red lipstick. Oh, okay. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? Do you guys think I killed it, or do you guys think I failed it? My eye keeps tearing, so if you guys see like right there and like right there, my eyes keep tearing, I guess, from all the eye makeup. I've been trying to fix it, but it just keeps happening, so I'm gonna just leave it alone. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Happy Pride Month. Like I said, support the LGBTQ community and always spread love, no hate, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.